Okay, I'm ready to talk about this. And for many of us, it starts well in advance of the drive to Muncie, Indiana for the absolute best drone racing in the world. MultiGP Champs is great for those top performers who grind out the global qualifier and want to compete for placement among the fastest. But IO is even more special, in my opinion, because it's for every racer. And I do mean every racer. If Tiny Whoops is your jam, then there's races every night in the Tiny Whoop tent. And that's an event within an event. This year, IO24, we were greeted to having the opportunity to take part in a 7-inch stock race like what MultiGP put on in Sharjah. While I chose not to compete in it, spectating was an absolute experience. I did get a chance, however, to take part in the IO 7-inch spec race, where I qualified for the next 24 and finished in 5th place. While that's not a podium, it was really exciting to be in the final 6 racing in a chase to ace format and having Joe Scully call out my name. Little personal proud moment there. But the real star for the everyman, like myself, is the group races. Long and short is, pilots are grouped based on GQ times, resulting in extremely close racing. I took part in 3 group races, 2 of which resulted in a 4th place finish and the 3rd didn't quite go my way. So I gave my seat to Bob since I didn't feel like repairing or slowing anyone else down since we were getting ready for the World Cup Top 64 race that day. Oh, I almost forgot about the chapter organizer race where I got into the top 16. I'm pretty sure when I canoodled my arm on a conduit, I finished in 16th, but hey, it's top 16, right, baby? So, like I said, IO is for every racing pilot. There are more races in one week than you can imagine, and the friends you're doing it with are what makes it even more special. Old friends, new friends, all friends. So, if you ever have a chance to go to the MultiGP International Open, do it. If you have only one quad, that's fine. Take it. If you don't have any quads, well, go anyway because the food trucks are amazing and so are the races that you'll get to see. And if money is tight, then I highly encourage you to volunteer. I personally can't wait to do that again. I even won a drone with the volunteer raffle. Man, what a week. Now, when are the tickets for IO25 going on sale? Because I need to put in PTO now. And, well, I sure do hope to see you all again next year. And maybe some new faces while we're at it.
Well, you want to quit? I have all scratch. What? I have all scratch. Oh, I was looking for yeah, the card drive. No, I don't know, but lots of scratches, so I find yours, I'm going to switch it. I'm pretty good at it. What's cracking it? I think I'm going to work up one.
46 flag. Stop 21.4.
I mean, you could probably do it. You could probably do it today. Because I don't think there's any event on there.